Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about Printify, and it will be a tutorial for beginners in 2025. So in this video I'm going to teach you the step by step how you can use Printify. It is perfect if you want to start print on demand business without inventory. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So first of all, you just need to understand what actually is Printify. Printify is a print-on-demand platform. You design product, Printify prints, and ships them. No upfront cost, no warehouse action needed here. Works with Etsy, Shopify, WooCommerce, and many more platforms. You only pay when someone places an order, so there is no risk actually. So how you can start? So you just need to create a free account in here. That for a reason you just need to visit on printify.com. Once you come over here, then just click over here, get started for free. And the main thing is they actually don't require credit card. So here I will just click this one, or you can choose this one like email, password, and then click sign up. So this is the simplest one, that's why I always prefer this method. So when I click this one, then it will take a couple of minutes, and then it will shift me to the dashboard. So once inside, you will land on your Printify dashboard. From here you can manage your store, products, and orders. So how you can connect your stores? The process is really simple. You just need to click on manage store from the sidebar. So here you can see that we have this option manage store. So on the store you can disconnect this one, or you can connect this one. You just need to click over here. If you want to add new store, you just need to click this one, and from that place you can choose Etsy, Shopify, TikTok, Amazon, Printify, pop-up, eBay, Squarespace, Wix, WooCommerce, BigCommerce, PrestaShop, or also API. So there's a couple of options available in here. So Shopify is great for building your own site, so you can go with that one. I am suggesting you. Then Etsy, ideal for beginners, WooCommerce, BigCommerce, etc. So follow the prompts to link your store to Printify, and now any products you create will sync directly to your store. So you just need to choose a product to sell. Like you just need to click on to the catalog. Once you click over here catalog, from the top menu you can browse categories like t-shirt, mugs, hoodies, phone cases, stickers, etc. You just need to click on a product. For example, men's cotton tee. Then review options like color, size, print providers, and pricing. You can choose a print provider based on locations, price, and the ratings also. So let's say I'm going to explore whole things. Like here I'm going to click on hoodies. Once I click over here, then let's create your first products. To help you get started, we are finding the best selling product. So here you can see great choice. Now choose from the best selling hoodies. I think this one is quite good, so I click over this one, and from that one I can start designing with Printify, or you can use embroidery. It's totally up to you. So you can do the things here. So now I'm going to add my design in here. So you just need to click on start design. So I will click over here Printify dashboard. Once I come over here, so I will click this my product options, and from that place I can create order for me. Like I will click this one, and I can click manually. So I will come over that place, and from here I am going to select a t-shirt here, and I will select one of them. Once I did, then I will click on start design. Once I did, now I can start my design here. So you just need to upload your design PNG with transparent background, then adjust the placement and size to this on the shirt. You can also add tags directly inside the editor. So here you can see they are giving us overview. So here I read it, and now I am going to add the tags in here. So let's say I think this one is quite good. I will place it here like this way, and it will be placed in here, and you can see just click next. Okay, next. Similarly, they are providing us a tour, so I think I know before that I am going to increase the size here, and then I will place it here. So now you can change the text here also. Like I'm going to change last text that it is a too big, so I think I will change it like here, that I'll make it subscribe, and that's it. Now you can see it, I already been edited. So now you can edit product details, give your products a title and description. You can add pricing, set your retail price and see your profit. You can choose which variants, size, colors to include. Make sure mockup image look good. Just go to your store and then click publish to push product to your connected store. Now you just need to understand how order actually work. When a customer places an order, it automatically sent to Printify. Printify charge you for the best product or best product plus shipping. The product is printed and shipped directly to your customer, and you keep the profit, retail price, best cost. You can track everything from the orders tab. So this is so much easy. Now you just need to set up your payments. So basically you just need to go to the payment options here. Let's go back here. Yes, close. You just need to go to the wallet and then click on to the payment, and you can add money or you can add credit or debit card in here. So make sure you have a way to pay for orders when they come in. If using Etsy, Shopify makes your customer payments are going into your store account also. Now let me give you tips to succeed in Printify. Always choose trending design, research on Etsy or Redbubble. Always use high quality mockups, better images, convert more sales, and offer free shipping by including cost in product price. Then start with niche products like target specific interests like dog lovers, gamers, or moms. Then test different products and designing. Then respond to customer service messages quickly and use Printify Premium. Like $29 they will charge. If you scale, you will get up to 20% discount on base price. And always order a sample product before launching. Have you check print quality, fabric and shipping time. So that's it. So here you understand how amazing that was, and you just need to be quietly explore all of this and many things you will find out. Let's talk about the Printify Premium. So here you can see the monthly, yearly if you will save 14%, and if you pay monthly it will charge $29. So here you can see, you can talk couple of successful Printify seller they are selling. So you just need to be add on pages or community to know more. Here we have couple of things like the order. You will see orders in here. You can see that it is on hold or not, it is in production or not. So it's really amazing. The dashboard really help you to increase your business overall. That is so much amazing one. So if you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video with an interesting topic again.